back and relax. Your home care expert ThinQ will take care of your home. ThinQ's proactive customer care service uses artificial intelligence to offer useful tips based on data from your habits and the status of the devices. For example, if you're misusing your devices or a malfunction repair is needed, ThinQ lets you know of the appropriate solutions before the problem occurs. The moment your device is installed and registered on the ThinQ app, it automatically runs a diagnostic check to make sure it was installed properly. Then, through app and email reports, it routinely sends you proper device usage methods and directly connects to the service center when maintenance is required. Not happy with how your laundry is turning out? ThinQ gives you recommendations on how to manage your washer and dryer, with checklists reminding you of potential issues. So you can enjoy your clothes always perfectly clean and dried. Isn't there something the refrigerator needs maintenance for? ThinQ says the water filter needs to be replaced. Not only that, it connects you to the website selling the correct filter for your model so that you can save on time spent searching and purchasing the necessary components. All that in no time at all. Focus your time on what really matters to you and let ThinQ take care of the rest. Your life made better with LG ThinQ.